Hi, I'm Abby, and welcome to this video series on panic attacks. If you're here, you're probably feeling exhausted, overwhelmed, or confused by what your body is doing, especially when it feels like it comes out of nowhere. This series is a gentle space for you to learn what's really going on in your body and how to find your way through it with compassion and support. And I want to start by sharing a piece of my story because panic is something I've lived through myself. About 9 years ago, I started experiencing panic attacks, not during the day, but through the night. I'd lie down in bed exhausted after a long day with two kids, two toddlers at a time. I needed sleep and I wanted to sleep. But as soon as the lights went out, something in my body would just switch on. My heart would start racing, my mouth would go dry, my hands would shake, my thought would spiral. I couldn't catch my breath and I couldn't make it stop. Every night became this battle between needing to rest and not being able to. I still had to wake up in the next morning and be fine, make breakfast, show up, and be a mom. But I felt like I was falling apart inside, very quietly and quite alone. What confused me most was I didn't feel that anxious during the day. I was functioning, I was doing everything I needed to do. So, why was my body reacting like this, like something was wrong? Back then, I didn't know what I know now, that panic doesn't always come from conscious thoughts, that anxiety can build silently in the background. And when everything finally goes quiet, like at night, your body finally speaks. I didn't know that panic isn't something you can think your way out of. It's not about logic, it's about our nervous system. So that experience changed the way I see everything now, especially how I support other women going through it. If you're in that place now, lying awake, scared of what your body might do next, I want you to know you're not making this up, you're not weak, and you're definitely not alone. And this series is for you. I'll be sharing everything I wished I'd known then about what panic really is, why it happens, and how we can begin to feel safe in our bodies again. This isn't about fixing you, it's about helping you understand what your body's been trying to say all along.